All right, guys, quick unboxing of the S22 Ultra. I do have the matte black here, 512 gigabytes of storage. We're going to jump in, check it out. I also have the Galaxy Buds 2 and the Galaxy Buds Pro. I did get these with the pre-order, and both of these will be up for sale in the next few days. So DM me on Twitter if you are interested in either of these earbuds. Both of those are very good. And again, the matte black color here. Let's just get in here, open this guy up. Now, originally, I did order the blue color, and then I just thought to myself, well, I'm going to throw a case on it anyway, so I might as well go back and order the black, because usually when I get a color, I'm always disappointed that I didn't get the matte black. Anyway, matte black works for me on any type of product. And let's get a look at that. Look how beautiful and clean that thing looks. So nice. Real quick, not much in the box. SIM tool tray on the back. And on the inside, we are going to get, what do we get in here? Quick start guide. And then we should have our cable, USB-C to USB-C for the cable. But let's just take a look at this beautiful new device. Let's peel it. Look how clean that looks. That color is so nice on there. That matte finish on there. Samsung branding here. That thing is... it's going to be slippery, but again, we will be throwing a case on it. I do have a bunch of case videos coming for you guys. There is a screen protector on it. Now, size-wise, this should be very comparable. This is the Note 10 Plus, and you can see the Note 10 Plus very close in size. A little taller on the S22 Ultra, and the width on these phones pretty much even, so very close and very similar to the design of previous Note devices. Now looking at this phone, you do have plastic on the top surrounding all of the edges. So we'll see if we can get this off really quick. I'm not going to waste too much time on this plastic. But if we just take a look around the phone, you can see on the very top here, you do have a microphone. And if we go over to the side, you are going to have your antenna for 5G. You are going to have your sleep button. And this is your volume up and your volume down button. On the other side, nice and clean, nothing over here. And on the bottom, of course, you do have your S Pen. You do have some speakers. You do have your port to charge. You do have another microphone here, and that microphone happens to be right next to your SIM tray. So be very careful. You don't want to stick your SIM tool inside of the microphone. All right, guys, specs on this device: 6.8 Infinity O Quad HD plus Dynamic AMOLED, 8 or 12 gigs of RAM, Snapdragon 8 Gen 1. And again, the storage, 128, 256, 512, and all the way up to 1 terabyte. Now, no expandable storage on here. The SIM tray does just have one SIM spot on it, but this does support eSIM, of course, wireless power share, 5,000 milliamp battery, 5G service, ultra-wide telephoto. I can go on and on with the specs. We'll go over that when I do a full review on this phone, but look how beautiful this phone looks. 45-watt charging on here, but if you want to even take that to the next level, I will be using the Whitestone Dome 65-watt charger for the charging brick for my device. So I am excited to get into that and use that, and I will be doing a video on some of Whitestone Dome's accessories for this phone. But that's it, guys. Just a quick video talking about the new S22 Ultra. I will have a bunch of videos in the next few weeks on this device, but I am very happy with this color, and that I switched from the blue to the matte black. That matte black, you could just never go wrong with that color. But that's it, guys. I'll be back soon. Peace.